Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
And next step was the oil temperature sensor, I think it is. That's got a clip on the back. And the spark plug wires. This one is a 21mm. Next step is to remove the breather hose. Then the starter motor wires, that's a 10mm. I suppose you can see from up there. And I'll put the nut back on. This cover feels like plastic, sounds like plastic. That's a 4mm Allen key. Plastic. And I'll put the screw back in. The starter motor, 2 bolts here, one with an earth lead, and on the other side 3 bolts. They are 5mm hex heads. Which I can't get in again. You can't get enough leverage. And put a ring spanner around it, give you a bit more length. Just be careful, you don't want to go too gung-ho and snap something. If I can, I'll fast forward through here. I'll do my best to keep my hands out of the way. Four mil again. Once again, doesn't fit. Back in a minute. And they are different lengths. So the short one is in the front. What needs a gentle tap? Again, just a piece of wood to shock it.